Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot name. I can't.
Here's the 1989 1.5 ton Carrier air conditioner, and this is my third time filming it because it crunched my memory space 2 times, and it's very disappointing. So yeah. So 3 Carriers and 1 Goodman. Here's scroll generating down there. Carrier high efficiency air conditioner running in cool mode. It's got a Bristol reciprocating compressor. You can hear the Bristol running down there. You can hear the noise. And that suction line is cold and sweaty, and that liquid line is about outdoor temperature. Model 38TH 018300, serial number 0489E33307. Let me do it again. Serial number 0489E33007. It's a 1.5 ton. It's from April of 1989. This thing's extremely loud. Let me go back. Yep, it's loud. Yeah, it's a bit quiet, but it's mostly loud. And let's film the Goodman again and tell a few facts that I forgot to tell about it. Let's film the Goodman. It's a 13 SEER. It's a 2 ton and a it's got a Broad Ocean fan motor. See that Bristol recip down there. Water leakage. That's cold, sweaty, and that's outdoor temperature. Here's the top. There you go, 1989 1.5 ton Carrier air conditioner, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and bye. This is a 2005 3-ton Comfort Maker air conditioner at one of our friends' houses. It's very loud. It's very noisy. I'll show you. So loud. And it's got a GE commercial fan. Very difficult for me to see the RPM. Model number NAC036 8KC3, it's a 3-ton unit. Serial number E05211526 from 2005. Just kicked out, the line's not sweating yet. But the liquid line's warm, the suction line is freezing up, not sweating. Here's the front of the house. And this light, sorry about that light, it just has a motion sensor, so far right there. Yeah, it's pretty loud. It's kind of small for a 3-ton, but this is about the size of my 2002 3-ton at my old house. We don't live here anymore. I'm in Los Angeles, Norwalk. And you can see there's a Cerritos College just right down the street. It's a pretty loud unit. It's so loud for being old. Only about 11 years old. It's got a Copeland reciprocating compressor. And They just turned it on. Here's the main return right here. Set on 63. And we have the heat on 61 right now. Controlled by a total light. Yeah. I'm actually at our friend's house. There's also one right there. See, it's one ice cubes. Smash it to an efficient furnace in the attic. Can feel it. Nice cube. There's the house right here. So, yeah, I believe the RPM of the fan motor to be 1075 or 1100. There's a Hunter window air conditioner that's not running. This is the garage right here. Small 3-ton. Yep, they just turned it on. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And peace. Here's a 2006 Goodman GSH13 air conditioner in my brother's apartment. It's not running. I filmed this like 2.5 years ago and it's running. Scroll compressor, GE commercial fan. This is a heat pump. Model DSH13060-1AA. Serial number. Where's the serial? Serial number. It actually is from 2006. It's from July of 2006. And over there is a pane and carrier. So I'll get a video of that in just a second. So let's go over there. It's on a warm and humid evening. Here's the carrier and its bushing, which is broken. So let's go in the back of here. This is from August of 1989, and it's a 5-ton. So it's not running. It's got a immersion fan motor, and this pane as well. Pane. And it's got probably a GE commercial fan. Let's see if I can read that. Serial number 2104E06739. So it's 2004, and it's a 5-ton. And model number PH10J8042C-C. It's a 4-ton. There's a filter dryer and the suction line, and it's not running at all because it's not on. GE commercial fan. So yeah, there's a swimming pool, and this carrier needs extra fixes. And so this is a video of the 2006 Goodman GSH13 heat pump, which is a 5-ton, and the 1989 5-ton carrier air conditioner, and a 2004 4-ton pane air conditioner. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and bye. Huh? there you go, 2008 4-ton Ream air conditioner running. So yeah, it's on the neighbor's side, and I'm very nervous right now. So I'm gonna shut down this right now, and I'm peacing out. Here's the 1983 Carrier furnace running in cool mode, and it's set to 78, and it's about 87 degrees inside. Yep, it's running in cool mode. This has a 30,000 BTU input, and this has a 2.5 ton coil. The lines right there. That's hot because it's hot outside, and the suction line is cool and sweaty. Yep, it's running. You see the burns. It's tied into the 1994 branded air conditioner, which is just right. Which is just right there. Yes, so that's that. It's a carrier. So, doing good.
Hey, what is that?
That was just my mom asking what was that. In one of the vents. Okay, they return. That's scoops. About 12:45 p.m. And there's another vent right here. There should be on. It's not cool right here. It's like about hot here. Okay. So the carrier is also running right there. There's the carrier. There's our. When I first filmed the branded air conditioner, someone commented that the unbranded was a Snyder Energy, which is most likely to be a comfort maker or an arc wear. So it's doing pretty good. So it was like 89 degrees when my brother turned it on. So gonna get a video of it starting up. Yep, nice cubes. I'm gonna get that video of the outside fan, or I'm gonna get a symphony of it. So I'm gonna get the video of the outside fan, and see you on the next video. Here is the long-awaited video of our 1994 unbranded air conditioner running. So it's spinning. There's one of them right there. Just on my brother. Go ahead. There's blowing ice cubes. Here's the main return. You see that's also blowing ice cubes too. Set to 77, and it's 83 inside.
It's been a long, long time coming.
So now I'm going to show you the outside fan. Just going outside. It's pretty loud. There it is. I'm just going to close the door so that uncold fan will go outside. Yeah, the fan's very noisy. Yeah, and it's vibrating too. That's an A.O. Smith fan, and it's running on a very hot day. Vibrating. The suction line is cold and sweaty. The liquid line's outdoor temperature. It is manufactured April of 1994, and it's a 2.5 ton. My neighbor's Harry is also running. Yeah, Midwest disconnects. Yeah, pretty solid unit. Yep, vibrating. Yeah, fan's very noisy, and you can barely hear the compressor. Yeah, when they're both running, they make an extremely loud noise. So that's that. I'm going to show you the furnace. I already showed the outside fan. Our room number is 1122. God dang it. Someone just locked me out. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna get a video of the furnace. Okay, so I'm finally back inside, and here's the furnace. I have a flashlight tester. Here's the furnace from 1983. Yeah, and that's that. Yeah, main returns right there. I don't see the burners. Yeah, I think the burners are back. Is that the 77? Yeah, just like I said in the previous video. I'm just gonna upload 2 videos on YouTube since I got locked out. Because I didn't tell my brother. Where's one of them? Oh, nice cubes. Okay. Right. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And this is like part 2 of the 1994 branded air conditioner. Okay. Let's see you. Check you guys out later.
Wait, chop it up off the plate. How long will it take? Baker's cake, smoke a face, half baked, want the face. Do no date, diamond water.